Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Dorothy. It's not okay here. Alright, the main reason why I'm doing this video is to show you how my 14 inches ring light looks compared to the new 18 inches ring light that I just got. Now, I didn't plan to get this ring light today. I went to the market to fix my 14 inches ring light, but unfortunately I couldn't fix it, although they promised to help me fix it, but not this week, and I needed to shoot some videos this week, so I had to opt for getting a new one. I'm not monetized yet. I'm investing in my channel, and as it is, I am stressed, like super stressed. Compensate your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. So guys, I just got home from where I was supposed to go and repair my former ring light, but I had to buy another one entirely. I dropped that one for repair though, but what I was told was that I cannot get it until next week, and I need this one today. Like, I need to use it today, so I had to buy another one. The last one that I was using is 14 inches, but I bought 18 inches instead. While I get that one next week, I left it there for repair. So I'm so sorry the video is looking this way. It can be better, right? Because I don't have a ring light here, but it can be better if I raise my blind. Okay, so I'm going to unbox the ring light, and you're going to see how my new ring light look like. This video is not planned. This video was not planned, but I thought it would be a waste if I don't do a video showing the unboxing of my new ring light. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I'm popping it close to a stack of book and, I don't know, my pack of tea and all that, just so I can show you how to unbox this myself. More. I'll say I never spoil this thing, sha. Okay, so I'm not very good with unwrapping, so forgive me. So here it is. It came in this pack. I hope you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I hope so. And here is the bag. Just in case I want to go out to shoot video, I can go with the bag. Okay, so let's do this. I just hope that I will not embarrass myself today. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, here it is. My RGB ring light. It comes with an adapter, and like the last one, the previous one, it has the remote attached to the body. That was actually what was for it there, and I will never make that mistake again. I also will not advise that you do it also. Like, you should just rather go for this one, right? I would rather you go for this one instead of going for that one. My goodness, looks like this stand will not work for more. Let me see. I just pray it works. I mean, I have spent so much time in the market today trying to get something that will work for me. Just pray it works for you too. I don't know, but that's what looks like. This one is kind of like smaller. Okay, it's not really standing well. I guess I'll have to get its own original stand, but this will do then. Or maybe this is how it should stand. Guys, I'm not sure. But today I'm gonna shoot this video. I'm going to have to use this one I got today, but that's not the point. So here is the plug. Right, so I'm just going to have to connect the plug to somewhere in the back. Somewhere at the back. I hope you can see this part. Okay, so here is meant for the plug. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna plug it this way, and it's comes with a USB. I don't know what this USB ports, these two USB ports are meant for, but in any case, I'll figure that out later. Maybe tell you. Okay, so here guys, I have it plugged in, and right now I'm going to have to turn it on for you to see how it looks like. You can take a look at my previous videos and look at how the quality of this one is looking, because I recorded those videos with the same device and that 14 inches ring light, so you can decipher. But while editing this video, I'm going to try to place a sample of that 14 inches, the video I recorded with it, place it beside this one so that you can easily distinguish which one is better to you. So I'm going to turn it on now. Yeah, this is where we turn it on. I think I can, this button, there's a button here, come here. Okay, so there's a button here. I think I can reduce, I don't know what this one works for, but here I can change the color here. Can you see? Can you see that, guys? Can you see this? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And here is something else. Wow, this is awesome. This is almost a math. Let me put down my blinds so that you can see it clearer. Let me put my blinds down. Okay. Wow, awesome. Can you see this, guys? This is awesome. This is amazing. I love it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to place it. I put my phone now so that you see it. You see how it looks like when I record the video. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so this is me recording a video, right, with my 18 inches ring lights. They said it comes with a remote, so let me look for it and try some things out with the remote. Let's see what the remote can give to us. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, so here is the remote. It came with, can you see this? Okay, so the RGB where I can change the color is there, and I think this part is for me to reduce the lights and to increase it. This plus area is for me to increase it. Then this is the off and on button. So that is it, guys. The battery doesn't come with a remote. I forgot to get, I didn't know I would have gotten a remote while coming, but that is pretty much it. So I'm going to change the color. Like, this is the bling bling color, and see, so this is the color that does the bling bling. I don't really think I like this one, no. Okay, this is the green. Here is the green color, but I just wish it can just stay instead of blinking like this. And here is another color. Okay, more this thing safe. Hey, purple. This one pass 3 colors though, guys. It has purple. What color is this again? I don't know. I'm bad with colors. Don't think where I come up for primary school. Okay, this one has a combination of blue and red, and I think this is a little bit stable. At least some people can still use this one, but I don't think this one is meant for me. At least not me. Okay, so this is the pure red, right? Oh, it's changing slowly. Then green, and then blue. I hope you can see that in my eyes. And then what color is this? Lemon. Okay, lighter blue. Okay, so that is pretty much it. This is what my RGB ring light looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly click on that subscribe button. Now, I have not been monetized, but here I am investing in my channel, and I want you to support me. Please help me out by clicking on that subscribe button. It is free. You're not going to pay for it. It's not going to take any of your phone storage, and it's not going to take more time than you're taking right now. So just click on that subscribe button below this video. Like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people that might need it. Okay, so help your girl out. All right, so I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In my next video, will be talking about how you can start making money online, how I went from being broke, staying in a room with 3 people, literally borrowing and begging for everything, right, to living on my own and making nothing less than 300,000 naira every month. Okay, so that video now will be up in few hours after I upload this video. So if you are watching this right now, don't mind my face. I'm stressed. I just came back from the market and I'm seriously stressed. Okay, if you are watching this video right now, I want you now to head over, because I'm very sure that if you don't subscribe now, you won't get access to that video that I'm talking about. This one is not a video that I planned, but because I could not fix my previous ring light, I had to just do this. That's why I'm stressed, I'm tired, I needed rest. Okay, so subscribe to the channel right now so that when the video drops in the next few hours, you get access to it. And if you're seeing this in less than if you're seeing this in more than 24 hours after I have uploaded this video, then you should just go back to my videos and search for how to start making money online, even as a novice. Even if you don't know anything about marketing, you don't have any skills, anything whatsoever, that video is for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate all of you. I love you. Thank you so much for the support. I love you anytime, any day. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All right, so stay tuned. Love you. Take care. Bye.